So today we're going to talk about why they don't want you to do the ketogenic diet. Okay, I recently had a person get really discouraged. I mean, she was losing weight, tons of energy, great health benefits, but she was discouraged because someone told her that the ketogenic diet is going to dehydrate her despite how much water she drinks. It doesn't matter. So you're going to hear all sorts of things in the media like low carb diets will decrease your lifespan, or coconut oil is now considered a poison despite thousands of years of using it safely. Or the ketogenic diet might work for you initially, but there's no long-term studies, so it could be dangerous. So it's all about casting doubt. I mean, if you think about it, if people do a keto plan and intermittent fasting, they're going to cut out carbohydrates, okay? Do you realize how much money is connected to carbohydrates? You have the performance drinks, the sugar drinks, the juices. You have the bread, the pasta, the cereal, the crackers, the alcohol. You have so many snack foods, the junk food industry. Then you have what those carbohydrates do to your body: high blood pressure, medication, high cholesterol, medication, diabetes, medication, huge amounts of money tied around carbohydrates. This is why it's so vitally important to get people to understand why it works. So that way, when they hear some lie, they're not going to be thrown off. So if you understand it, you'll get the results. You'll have the certainty that you know it works. And you also have the knowledge that you know it's true. That things that work are true. Things that don't work are not true. And thanks for listening. Hey, before you go, I'm going to create some new videos on food evaluation. Okay, so if you'd like to participate, I can't promise that you'll be the person that I'll choose. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take a picture of what you're eating, a close-up, okay, of one day, how frequent you're eating, like as an intermittent fasting. Is it 1 meal, 2 meals, and anything else that you're drinking or supplements. And go ahead and add your height, weight, and age, and any major body problems that you're having. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze that to see what you're doing correct and what you need to improve. All right? So go ahead and click the link down below, upload your information, and again, I can't promise that I'm going to pick you, but I'm going to pick several people, and I'll do the evaluations, and I'll post these as YouTube videos. All right. Talk to you later.